Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Carson here. Today we are playing more Build Royale. I have a new headset, guys. Yeah, check this baby out. Apparently the sound on it's a lot better. Oh, but we're gonna be playing some Build Royale. My gosh, my setups are a freaking mess. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the like button down below. Hit the subscribe button for add-on to the channel. And hit the bell button, become part of the notification squad. Then go in the comments on my video and say, I subscribed. And tell me what state you live in. Because I live in Oregon. But yeah. Here, come at me, bro. Come at me. Can you just let me kill you? It's just that easy, bro. Where are you? Where? Oh, bro, you ain't getting away with this. Oh, he did, bro. He did. Dude, you gotta be kidding me. You actually gotta be kidding me. Seriously, gotta be freaking. New mic. Simmer down. Oh god, we're in a game. That scared the crappies out of me. Drink those. Hi, Bobby. Hi, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. Hi, Georgie. You're about to die in there, just to let you know, bro. Oh, hi, Georgie. Hi, that Georgie. Ah! I'm dead. Sorry, I have to leave. I have to leave. Yay! Nice dive! Woohoo! Rip. I'm focused. I'm focused. And then the puppy, yeah. I broke my jaw. Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot. Ow, that actually kind of hurt, sir. Yeah, now I'm gonna go double scar somebody. But somebody told me I could double scar, so I freaking killed them like this. Hi. Dang it. I'm trash at this game. Yeah, guys, technically, this isn't brand new, but it's brand new to the channel. I'm using this as my gaming headphone. These are for my gaming. They have an attachment to make it go for PC. Yeah, it's sick. Yeah. Oh, and also this, it looks like a mouse. See, there's a scrolly button right there. See it? And I'm in a game. Right? See it? Right? See? LMG, I'll take it. 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 Yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye bye. What? Go. You gotta be kidding me. How? That was kind of my fault. do 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 da. No. I have the lucid dream where I can't move a thing, thinking of Fortnite in my bed. I am out of here, most likely dead. Here, if I stayed here, and also over here. Time to look for a gun, run and freaking hide. Owie, ow, 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 ow. I have these lucid dreams where I can move everything. This is how I run everywhere. I have to take my hands off of the Please tell me there's ammo in this. Okay, so you know what time it is. Cute. Mommy, I'm out. I am out like Donkey Kong. Those beds look so freaking. Build. Now, you know what time it is. Run time! No, never mind, over there. I think I'm gonna do one more match and probably do like some Viv or something. Most likely, I don't know. What about Slither.io? Yeah, I'm gonna play some Slither.io. Oh, there's another chest in here though. Oh. You don't heard that, Fred! You probably do. You probably do. he does. Guys, I'm gonna play a little bit of Slither before we go. Slids. Can I? Slither.io. There we go. I'm gonna do like 4. See if I can kill the biggest dude. Say, when they try and kill you, I have a tactic, I think. Big goalie.
I know the name, I couldn't tell you if it was fancy or
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Did this dude AFK? Yep. Oh god. Hi, Chance. Great to see you. Chance, give me a freaking chance. Jeez, Chance. What the heck, Chance? Oh. Why does everybody still dab when that meme is deader than a dinosaur?
it sounds like too much work. I'm just not gonna know you anymore.
Just following this, bro. Knew that would happen. Nah, I knew that was gonna happen. You know, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. Hope you guys have a fabulous day. Just one thing. Stay with your boy. Bye.